Good morning, vlog. We're about to go on a beach walk. Yeah, and I'm gonna take pictures. Guys, we just found a shark. Oh my god.
That's not the
Hey vlog. We are going to the beach.
Well, that's okay. Sometimes you need to pee.
Mom, how are you feeling the morning after peeing your pants last night?
I feel wonderful. I have to still go Clorox the truck, but we'll get to that.
Hey guys, so we're just in the water and I'm going to get drinks. My aunt is trying hers out. Yeah, we're just gonna swim around for a while, so yeah. Hi vlog! I'm gonna go dive for some shells. Yes, queen! Oh, sorry. I really want to find a sand dollar, guys, but I don't know if I will. I'm trying to find a sand dollar. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go handstand. Ready? Hey guys, I know I look insane. Also can't see what I'm filming, but I'm not having very much luck. I'm gonna go shower if I do more. Yeah. Guys, I found this. It looks like a huge piece of sea glass. Okay, guys. I got a few shells, but I didn't find any cool ones. Unfortunately. I found a really big piece of sea glass, though.
Sea glass? Oh, cool.
I'm gonna go tan now because the UV's like 10. Hey guys, we're showering off. Going. Oh my god, the floor's so hot. We're going back to the room to eat, shower, and get ready.
In the wash.
Guys, we're back at the room. I feel what's the thing? Tan, that is okay.
Throw it in the washer. Which one?
Alright.
Okay, this is the water.
We're about to eat
The dryer.
and shower and stuff, so yeah. Hey guys.
Bella!
We're back from the beach. I'm burnt. Please ignore.
What are you doing?
Eating.
Oh, you're getting it? Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Me too, it's okay. Hi guys, we're going to St. John's Pass. It smells so bad because everyone has problems.
Wait, they have stomach fungus. I will cover your mouth with this Clorox bleach wipe right now.
She has wipes to wipe her pee from last night off the
We
car
did
seat.
see it. We cleaned already. I cleaned it.
Is that why you have that?
Uncle Dave cleaned it.
How are you feeling?
I feel real good. Took a nice nap. We're about to do some shopping, so I'm energized again. How about you?
I feel like I am amazing because we're going to surf style.
It's fun for everyone.
It really is.
Fun for everyone. Surf style, fun for everyone.
Here is our short 13-mile walk over that bridge. Here's surf style. How hype are you? Like, this is all we came for. Right
I'm
here.
shocked and awe of surf. There's like 10 surf styles though.
Yeah, and I think we have to go into that big one right there, right? Like first.
Drive, what are you doing?
Look at this drink I got, guys. Hey guys. Very blue, but we're shopping. Surf style.
Oh, it'll play again. Don't worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Chicken playing. How do you know what size you are?
Hey guys, it's raining.
Oh, I didn't know.
But she doesn't have it with her.
Surf style,
So then what's the point?
for everyone.
What day is that?
Hey guys, we are walking over to the little jewelry store, but we call it the Crack Lady. Last year, yeah, it's coming from her. Last year, this lady, I don't know if you remember in the vlog last year, but she's very high on crack or some shit. And it was, and she forgot her flamingo necklace, and then Giovanni thought we were getting arrested. It was this whole thing. You're joking. Guys, it's closed.
No!
Guys, the Flamingo Crack Lady store is closed. This is so sad.
Oh gosh. I'm mourning the loss of the Crack Lady store.
I'm actually so sad.
He's burning the loss of Hulk Hogan's flag up and everything else. So
That's what it is. The loss is great.
I'm so sad. I really wanted to see my best friend. Guys, the Flamingo, she kicked us out.
What?
She kicked us out.
Why?
Because she remembered us from last year, and she remembered Aunt Layla stealing. Hey guys, we are now leaving St. John Warts.
St. John Warts.
That's what we call it. You know, if you just hear all these random names, that's just what we call stuff, guys. Just don't mind. I just learned today it's actually just John's Pass, not St. John's Pass.
Somebody asked me what I was doing today. I said I was going to St. John's Pass. And they said, what? I said St. John's Pass. St. John's Wharf?
Yeah,
I literally have been calling it St. John's Pass for the whole time.
me too. I didn't know it was just called John's Pass.
I knew it was John's Pass. But today, it's been, I've been...
That's why you had the weird hours, because you Googled St. John's Pass.
Absolutely correct.
I'm Chinese, Little Red Riding Hood. I like to go to the woods to see my grandma.
no, Ian, this
I know that's the song.
no, that was after or before they got their own apartment. He was in the
Take a photo.
Penis.
Use this as blackmail.
Okay, guys, so it's now like, I don't even know what time. What's time? 10:30, and we're going to bed now.
12:21.
But tomorrow's our last full day here, so we're going to wake up early to see the sunrise, and I'm gonna wear my cute PJs there. Not the bonnet, but you know, to get after.